Hey everybody, it's Dr. Michael Romanesco with Independent Dental Solutions. Today I'm joined by Gordon Craig, the CEO of Sterngold. Gordon, thanks for joining me today. And if you wouldn't mind, just give a little background on yourself and Sterngold as a company.
Thanks, Michael. Good to be here today. So I'm Gordon Craig, President and CEO of Sterngold Dental. I've been affiliated with Sterngold for approximately 20 years, holding numerous positions within the company. And for the last 5.5 years, I've been President and CEO. Sterngold has been around since 1897. We're one of the oldest dental companies in the United States. There's only a handful that date back that far that are still in existence. So as you know, in the name is gold. So we started off in the alloys field. And then in the 50s and 60s got into precision and semi-precision attachments. Once those attachments continued to grow and expand into different restorative options, in the late 80s, we started to put attachments onto implants. So then that was where the ERA was born. And many customers, many lab customers and clinical customers know Sterngold for the ERA.
Right.
But really we're much more than just ERA. So the management at the time in the late 80s decided that we would be vertically integrating through implants. So we're putting attachments already on implants. Let's go ahead and acquire an implant company. So they acquired a dental implant company by the name of Implemed. And the acquisition went through in 1993. And we incorporated Implemed into Sterngold. So since 1993, we're not only an alloys and an attachment company, but now we're a full-blown implant company with conventional implants. Later on in the 90s, we added on restorative line, so impression materials, composites, temporary crown and bridge material. We did all kinds of consumables that are used complementary to implant and attachment cases. And then into the 2000s, early 2000s, we identified that there was a niche market for mini implants. So we developed mini implants and we continued to refine that. And today we are the #1 provider of mini implants in the United States and in many parts of the world. So our focal point, and this speaks to the demographics, our focal point is in the area of removable solutions. Implants, attachments, so the ERA is in the mix. We've got a Stern Snap and we have an ORA attachment, all in the removable field. In addition to that, we also have fixed restorative options. So we have the full gamut. So not only minis, but conventional implants, both for fixed and restorative and removable solutions.
Gordon, thanks for the background on Sterngold as a company. It sounds like you guys have truly evolved, from throughout the entire lifespan of the company. And how did you guys decide to get involved with Independent Dental Solutions, and what sorts of benefits can Sterngold bring our members?
Well, what we do is we are very familiar with large groups, buying groups, DSOs, large group labs, and many other organizations that have multifaceted either practices, locations, or affiliations in some fashion. And we align ourselves with the business strategies that those entities want to achieve. The way that we do that is that we are truly a manufacturer. We manufacture over 90% of the products that we sell. And what we can do is control the supply chain. So there's not a lot of middlemen behind us, right? And when we do bring a product to the market, we understand the benefits to the customer and what the customer is looking for. And really, with buying groups, especially IDS, many other large groups, we understand that price is an important componentry to you effectively providing affordable dentistry down to the patient level. So we understand the entire supply chain, and what we try to do is derive value so that we can provide affordable dentistry downstream. And essentially, you can drive cost out of your network by aligning and doing business with Sterngold for all of the restorative dentistry needs. So the other aspect about Sterngold is really on the support and service side. One of the things that Sterngold prides itself on is its level of commitment to its customers. So even though we're providing value all the way through, we know that a major component for a customer to do business with us is that they want to be able to get answers. They want to be able to have support and have continuity as it relates to any surgical protocols or any restorative protocols or any questions that they have. And we do that in a number of ways. We have a fully staffed technical support staff. We also have customer service. So when you dial Sterngold by phone or on the internet, or you want to chat with us, there's always a live body behind the scenes ready and willing to kind of walk you through the process of getting your answers efficiently and effectively. And then education is a big part of what we also do regarding support. And we have a lot of different educational programs. We have a lot of digital content. We have education in many cases in the intranet world. And then we have hands-on courses. And really hands-on courses are still pretty popular because both dental technicians and clinicians really learn in a hands-on environment really effectively. And I'll just mention one that's coming up. It's September 21st in Chicago. We've set up preferred pricing for registration for IDS members, and certainly there'll be other courses around the topic. The topic is mini dental implants and restorative options for mini dental implants. So we'd love to have IDS members attend this course, and we look forward to the relationship. We're really excited to be affiliated with IDS, and Michael, thanks very much for having me on today.
Yeah, thanks for joining me. I appreciate you giving the background on the company and seeing where things are going, and everything sounds fantastic. So one thing I'd like to add is that we're going to end up throughout the next couple of weeks, we're going to put together some offerings from Sterngold out to our members so that they can see some of the fantastic value that Sterngold can bring them.
Well, thank you, Michael. I appreciate that. And again, look forward to working with you.
Excellent. Thanks a lot, Gordon.